Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 38. How can we find the sum of the numbers 1 to 20 quickly without using a calculator or writing anything down? That is, we need to find the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 all the way up to 20. This is an excellent little sum. Now, if you want to try and work this out for yourself, please pause the video now. And I will move on to the next slide now and let us work through the solution. Here we go. Let us rearrange the numbers into two rows as follows. So here's the first row, adding the numbers from 1 to 10. And here's the second row, and we're just adding the numbers from 11 to 20. So nothing's changed except we've arranged these numbers into two rows. Now if we add 20 plus 1, that gives us 21. 19 plus 2 gives us 21. 18 plus 3 gives us 21. And for each of these pairs here, if we keep adding them up, guess what? We get 21. So have a look at this. How many sets of 21 do we have? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 sets of 21. Now, that is actually 20 over 2. That's how you get 10. Remember we started off with 20 numbers? There were 20 of them. So using the amount of numbers that we started with, and if you divide that by 2, that gives you 10 sets of 21, which is 20 plus 1. So we're using this 20 here. This is going to be very important for us to find an overall formula. So remember the last number was 20, so there's 20 over 2. That is, there's 10 of these numbers. And each of these numbers is 21, which is 20 plus 1. In other words, it's 10 times 21, so the sum is 210. So, that's how you find the sum of the numbers from 1 to 20 without using a calculator or writing anything down. You can actually do it in your head. So let's say we had the numbers 1 to 20. All you would do would be this. Halve the 20 to give you 10. Multiply it by 20 plus 1, which is 21. And 10 times 21 gives you 210. Now let's look on the next slide where we can apply this to any amount of numbers which start from 1 and go up to whatever number you want, and they keep increasing by 1. So for any amount of consecutive whole numbers from 1 to n, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to any number you want, take the last number and halve it. Take the last number and add 1, and multiply those two together, and that will give you the sum of those consecutive numbers. So how's that for a very, very interesting way of finding the sum of consecutive numbers from 1 to n?